Known for its exquisite designs, Shuga offers more than just a feast for the palate. It's a visual spectacle too. The story of Shuga begins with a love for art and architecture, which is evident in every corner of the bakery, making each visit a unique experience. Their signature dish, a delicate melt-in-your-mouth macaron that's almost too pretty to eat. Almost. This historic bakery, steeped in tradition, has been serving Parisians and tourists alike since the mid-19th century. Ladure's claim to fame is their double-decker macaron, a creation so popular it has become a symbol of French gastronomy. Each bite transports you back in time to an era of elegance and sophistication. This gem is a testament to the power of reinvention, offering a range of delicious treats that are gluten-free, grain-free, and dairy-free. Their specialty is a decadent chocolate cake that defies the odds, proving that dietary restrictions need not compromise on taste. This bakery stands out for its commitment to quality and tradition. Their specialty is a variety of Greek pastries, with the buttery, flaky spanakopita taking center stage. Savoring a piece of Connell's spanakopita is like taking a bite out of Greek history and culture. Founded in 1730, Storer has been serving up delicious pastries for nearly 3 centuries. Their piece de resistance is the baba au rum, a sweet, rum-soaked delight that has been tantalizing taste buds since its creation. Whether it's the artistic charm of Shuga, the historic allure of La Durée, the innovative spirit of Sweet Laurel Bakery, the traditional authenticity of Connell, or the timeless elegance of Storer, each of these bakeries offers a unique experience that goes beyond the culinary. They are not just places to savor delicious treats, but destinations where one can taste a piece of the world's rich and diverse bakery history. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.